Today, I'll present the item 11 of part 1. We are given a function g of x equal to e raised to 3x minus 4. The main thing here is e raised to some power. The derivative of e to any power is just e to that same power. So, we know that the derivative starts with e raised to the power of 3x minus 4. Now, we need to deal with the power 3x minus 4. So, what's the derivative of 3x minus 4? It's just 3 because the derivative of 3x is 3 and the derivative of negative 4 is 0 since it is a constant. And now, we will multiply e raised to 3x minus 4 to 3. And e raised to 3x minus 4 times 3 is 3e raised to the power of 3x minus 4. In conclusion, finding the derivative of g of x equal to e raised to the power of 3x minus 4 involves recognizing the function as a composite function and applying the chain rule. The derivative of the outer exponential function e raised to u remains e raised to u, while the derivative of inner function, the exponent 3x minus 4, is simply 3. Multiplying this yields g prime of x equal to 3e raised to the power of 3x minus 4.